It's incredible to me to be able to show new and recent work by an artist like Lynda Benglis, who has been around for almost 5 decades. She's in her early 80s, and yet she's as prolific as ever, and she's still continuing to find new ways to experiment. Early Lynda Benglis, that I consider her to be known for, of this kind of interest in movement, interest in working with materials, interested in this idea of process and the focus on the process as being almost as important, if not more important, than the final product. If she finds a form that she likes, she wants to make it in every possible medium, every material that she can. So the works on view in this show are bronze enlargements. We have a group of paper, glitter, chicken wire sculptures. And then we, of course, have the fountains at the back of the garden. The bronze enlargements in this exhibition come from a series of ceramics that Lynda was making in 2016. And they're really this kind of a new endeavor for the artist of enlarging a smaller form to more monumental proportions. For example, the work behind me, Yellowtail. It began as basically a tabletop-sized ceramic, roughly yay big in scale. And it's a ceramic form that you can see that has been enlarged, but also she worked this ceramic material with her hands. It has a very direct relationship to the artist, to this gesture that she created. And then she works with a foundry and a fabricator to kind of enlarge what was something that she could hold and manipulate herself into this monumental form. So Lynda works with a fabricator who helps her to computer generate an enlargement that is then cast in these bronze alloys, essentially, that are incredibly reflective, shiny. And to Lynda, this communicates a sense of speed in the gesture. And in fact, she chooses which forms of the ceramics she's interested in enlarging based on what she perceives as a quick gesture. Paper, glitter, chicken wire sculptures. These are, to me, the most intimate works in the exhibition. They have this very direct relationship with the artist. She makes them in her studio outside of Santa Fe in New Mexico. And they're also, in terms of scale, more relative to the body's proportions. So in 2016, Lynda discovers this way to cast glitter directly into the paper slurry in the paper making process. So essentially creating what she calls sparkle paper. This sparkle paper is inherently colorful. That glitter is part of the skin, rather than being applied like paint, as in the example Whoopee that's on view. So just within these 5 works, you're able to see this artist kind of experimenting with, tiny pieces of glitter, experimenting with how she can make that glitter become even further a part of this work.